I'm going to be honest with you. That was one of the hardest things I've have done on camera. But here is what I've noticed. Roland sent me this workout and said, just try it. I want you to see what happens when I actually do. This is called the 5-on-1. 5 exercises, all done standing on one leg, 3 minutes per leg. It is not just a workout. It is a balance test, a strength test, and an honesty test, all at the same time. Alternating dumbbell curls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lateral dumbbell lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bent over rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hammer curls into the overhead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're gonna do the side deadlift. 1, don't rush it. 2, 3, 4, 5, get to the side. 6, don't rush it. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now front, right?
Yeah, try not to rush it.
I'm trying not to put my foot down.
1, 2,
Stay.
3, 4, 5, using the wall as a foot down. 6, 7, 8. Try not to rush it. 9, 1 more, and then you start immediately.
Oh God, immediately?
That started right away.
All right.
To make it 6 minutes. You just got to the 3 minute. Don't rush the movements. That's the control. Hammer curl to press. 8, 1, 2, keep your core tight. 3, 4, 5.
Ooh.
Another foot down. 6, 7, 8, 2 more. 9. 10. 446. 1. 2.
Wait.
3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Alright, put the weight down and then get right on the camera and tell me how you feel.
Okay. Whew, that burning. My legs are burning. In the beginning, like whenever I do this workout, I feel confident in the beginning. But it's when I have to do like the deadlifting on the sides and the front, that's when things get a little more difficult towards the end. So I was struggling to make it, like when I got to 5, I was like, okay, like try to refocus and finish off strong for the last 5. But when I got to the deadlift part, that's when I started to feel like the legs burning, wanting to give out, wanting to put my leg down, the leg I have up. It was difficult. I'm going to be honest with you. That was one of the hardest things I have done on camera. But here is what I've noticed. My balance got better by the end of just one round. My legs, my core, my arms, everything had to work together. You do not have to do this exact workout to get stronger. But if you want a real challenge that tests your whole body at once, try it. Start with fewer reps. Use lighter weight, modify however you need to. The goal is not to look perfect. The goal is to try. Would you attempt the 5-on-1? Comment, try it, if you're willing to give it a shot. And if you want a realistic plan that builds you up to workouts like this one, comment real life or go to the description below.